Here we are by Smash Burger at Market and 8th Street. Downtown San Diego, one of my few ventures out downtown. Just because I realize how much radiation is down here now. And before I had the meter, I had my suspicions. That was for a couple of years before I figured out what was giving me those suspicions. And here we are getting pretty nasty, just standalone far from any visible cell panels or towers. There we go, 13,080, just within, I'm assuming, I don't have a counter, but less than 60 seconds. Now those who can, those who have physical reactions to electronic or electromagnetic radiation can really feel this stuff. And those who not are still getting you can't feel it, are still getting the same physiological effects from exposure to this radiation. There we go, 17,910, and I'm going to move on now. Market and 8th.